Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get the Which Croc Are You filter for Snapchat. And then once you have it on your Snapchat, you could of course move it over to Instagram or TikTok just by recording a video and then posting it on your TikTok or Instagram. So it's a really cool filter. All you have to do to get this filter is just head down into the description and there will be a link there linking you to this website right here. Once you come over to this page, all you want to do is click on Open on Snapchat and Open. And then you'll notice here you have an option to unlock for 48 hours. You want to go ahead and click on that. And then once you're on here, you'll notice that this filter pops up here, and all it does is go through all the different styles of Crocs. Really interesting filter. If I was able to help you guys out with showing you where to get this filter, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.